Hey, thanks for joining Max Muscle Davis County today. This video is part of our educational series. We're developing this series to help you get a better understanding of nutrition specifically. Today we're going to cover protein. Now, protein is a really broad topic, but we're going to try to simplify it down into what it is, what it actually does in the body, how much we should consume, and where to get it. Okay, so starting off, what is protein? Protein is basically one of the macronutrients. Macronutrients are things that provide energy to the body. So that would be a carbohydrate, a protein, and a fat. Now, protein has 4 calories per gram. So when we eat protein, we are putting calories in the body. So that's the first thing I want to discuss about that. Number 2, they're made up of what we call amino acids. Now, amino acids are the building block of everything in our body. So our skin, our hair, our nails, our organs, pretty much any tissue or flesh in the body is considered amino acid. So those are protein based, and we need to consume protein in order to keep those healthy. So there are a total of 20 amino acids that our body uses effectively. Now, we can consume hundreds of amino acids, different forms, different things like that, but the 20 that are most important in the body come in 2 varieties. Non-essential and essential. Essential amino acids basically means that we have to consume them in order for them to be in the body. Non-essential means that we don't need to necessarily consume them, we can manufacture them out of other things in the body. Now, the importance of eating protein then is to make sure that A, we have enough construction material for the 11 non-essential, and 2, or B, is that we have enough of the essential amino acids to function properly. Now, what else? Let's talk about what they do. So, like I was referring to, every organ in your body, your hair, your skin, your nails, everything like that is made up of protein or amino acids. If we don't consume sufficient amounts, then our body will steal it from the only place that we store it, which brings us to muscle. People often think, I eat protein just to have muscle. Well, that's true and it's not true, and I'll explain. Your body needs amino acids in order to replicate itself. Our body's always making new cells to be healthy. Our organ tissue is always replacing itself. Our skin is constantly replacing itself. All these cells need to be built and then torn back down. The only place that we actually store amino acids is in muscle. So if we're not eating enough protein, our body will break down the muscle tissue in order to release those amino acids. So that's why protein is so valuable when it comes to exercise, diet, weight loss, general health. So that was basically the reason, what protein is and more or less what it does. So a lot of individuals say, well, how much do I need? Whereas carbohydrates and fats are geared more specifically about an energy need or an energy output or an energy ingestion that you need to have in order to function or to lose weight. Protein isn't so much geared that way. When we decide how much protein someone needs, we look at it from this perspective. How much lean tissue is in the body? So basically organ tissues, muscles, things of that nature. What is actually needing protein? Number 2, how much activity do you have in your day? Are you sitting at a desk? Are you, driving for a delivery company? Are you hiking in the mountains? All these different things can play a role in how much protein you need. Number 3, exercise specific. Are you weight training? Are you doing endurance work? What kind of exercise are you doing will also have a factor in how much protein you should be consuming. And finally, how much protein you need to stay healthy. So just your general maintenance. Those are the things that we look at when we help you decide, do I need 20 grams per scoop or do I need to eat a chicken breast or 1.5? All those different things are important to understand. So understanding how much protein you need individually is key. Now, we recommend eating small, frequent doses of protein. So basically you could be eating 5 or 6 meals a day. We're not asking you to eat, 3 chicken breasts every time. We're not asking you to drink 2 protein shakes or anything of that nature. We're trying to gear you towards eating the right amount for your body to help you maximize your results. The next question then is, where do I want to get my protein? There's a lot of people that advocate specifically to go out and get whole foods. Now, there's some benefit there. The body will definitely break that down and it burns calories to do it. Chicken breast, turkey breast, lean fish, tuna, cod, salmon, things of that nature are going to be very healthy options. Red meat isn't that bad as long as you don't consume it in excess. The reason that might be considered not as healthy is because of some of the cholesterol issues involved there. But one serving of red meat once a day or every other day is certainly not going to have a problem. Those are great options. Understand that your body will burn more calories breaking those down, but it won't necessarily use all those amino acids as effectively as some other sources. That's why we recommend 3 whole meals a day and maybe supplementing 2 meals a day, whether it be post-workout with a protein shake or using our supplement called ARM, or whether it be just eating a protein shake specifically in between meals to keep that protein up. And that would be a good option as well. Now, there's a variety of protein options that are supplemental. Whey protein isolate is a very good protein for post-workout. It digests quickly and your body can absorb it very easily. But it's not necessarily the best option for in between meals or throughout the day at other times. The next one is maybe a whey concentrate. Whey concentrate, it takes a little bit longer to break down and is digested a little more slowly than whey isolate. So that might be a good option for in between meals. Another option is a casein type protein. Casein is another protein option that digests rather slowly. When you think of casein, think of cottage cheese. Cottage cheese digests very slowly. So that's an option as well. So consider getting maybe some eggs, some egg whites for breakfast, a protein shake for a snack, some chicken breast or fish or something maybe for lunch, have another protein shake in between lunch and dinner, and then eating dinner maybe a piece of lean steak or some more chicken or something at that time. Individuals that do weight train and do a lot of exercise, I personally recommend a protein shake at bedtime. We probably want to go with a little bit slower digesting protein for that, and that would be a casein based. Well, we hope this has helped you out in understanding a little bit about protein and why you'd want to consume it. Please watch for our other videos, and we certainly hope to see you in the store soon.